I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now begin. Verify Flutter Doctor shows no blocking issues, and create a new project with Flutter Create My App so you can iterate rapidly. Open the project in VS Code or Android Studio, enable the Flutter and Dart plugins, and run the app on an emulator or device. Once the app launches, inspect main. Dart to see the entry point and widget tree. Make a tiny change to text and hot, reload to learn the feedback loop quickly. Now focus on how things are built and why. Start by differentiating stateless widget and stateful widget through small experiments. Change state and observe rebuilds to internalize lifecycle. Next, compose layouts using rows, columns, flex, and stack while practicing padding and alignment so UI becomes predictable. Then address state. Use set state for local state and introduce provider or riverpod for shared state. Implement a counter with both approaches to see trade-off. Complete the app by adding navigation, routing, and platform integration so your app behaves like a real product. Once done, optimize performance with lazy lists, image caching, and profiling in release mode. Reduce jank and binary size before publishing. Prepare platform builds and follow store signing processes for iOS and Android. If something breaks, reproduce the issue, check Flutter Analyze, run Flutter Clean, inspect device logs, and isolate the widget causing the failure. These steps usually reveal the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.